have to put another pad up there, push pad up there, and then mount it to it.
Alright, man.
But that bug looks comfortable. I know right now they doing archery. It's archery season.
The 8-point buck laying in the river. It's a pretty spot. Number 2. Number 3. That's a largemouth. Number 4 on the fluke. Largemouth. Number 5. Number 6. Ooh, there's a big bass following my fluke. One nipped at it.
What you're going to get into until we say we are live, and then it rolls. And then sometimes it goes really smooth. Sometimes it's not so smooth, and you got to coach them on a
Number
little bit.
6, I think.
And then it was last night. You're talking about a train rolling off the tracks, guys. Like
6 or 7.
you heard me say it last night. Very few times have I
6, I
ever
think.
been speechless after a comment, and it happened multiple times. Bail money is a safe call for sure, but I think it would be really fun. You know what? I got home last night and I was thinking, man, he reminds me of somebody I know. I'm a little older than some of you guys, and so some of you guys might not get this reference, but some of the older guys will, especially if you grew up in the 80s. How many of you guys remember Long Duck Dong off Pretty in Pink? And if you know who I'm talking about, you will be able to put 2 and 2 together. If you don't know who I'm talking about, you need to Google Long Duck Dong off Pretty in Pink. That absolutely, to me, is the carbon copy of what he would be like back in the 80s. I mean, I could see that. See, yep, Long Duck Dong. I'm serious. I thought about that last night about 11:30.
That last bass I caught
Not to
spit
mention,
that up
Bass,
on
you
me.
named your daggum podcast the Live Well. We've been doing the Live Well here for 3 or 4 years, so y'all can kiss my ass. I've said that before. We are the Live Well. But other than that,
There's some ribs.
that's about all I got to say on that one. But everybody knows Trey. She's very opinionated, and what she's give her opinion on things.
Yeah.
So again, I cannot confirm. I haven't seen any news on this, so I don't know if it's actually going to happen. If it was 10-year-old.
Here's a dark, largemouth.
Swindle set the hook on the biggest fish.
Really dark colored for this river. I had never seen one that dark.
But you would like to have the ability to, if we were on a
Pretty cool.
live stream and they were.
I don't know where the big ones are, but the little ones are killing it today. Wow. Come on. Stop all that business. Probably 13, maybe 14 inches. Maybe 11, 12. That's the, I think, 12th fish, and it's probably like 11 inches. I've seen some big ones, but I hadn't really got the big ones to bite. There's another one. I don't even know what number this is. It's a good thing when you lose count of how many fish you done caught in one day. Looks like a hybrid or something. Try to make him jump for me. Nope. Got it. Another largemouth. A little spot. Come here. Don't fin me. Don't. Oh, yeah. Oh. Calm down. Up. Got me anyway. Thank you, little birdie. Come here. You rascal. Stop before you hurt yourself. I'm gonna let you go. I got a bass and I got a bowfin trying to eat the whopper flopper that the bass already has. Dang, nice bass too. Oh shit, don't get me. I gotta hurry up because here comes the rain again. There you go. It's about a 15.